Hey everybody, welcome to the VO Video Village, where we geek out about all things voiceover. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how voice actors can use that watermark to help with their branding and help grow their channel. Let's get to it right now. News from the booth! All right, let's talk about the watermark. Here I am on the VO Video Village channel. And the watermark for this channel is a little bit different than the watermark that I use for my voiceover channel. And let me explain that a little bit further. But first, let me show you exactly how to get it on there. You have to go to your YouTube studio. So we click on our little icon over here and we click YouTube Studio. Okay, here we are. So once we do that, we're going to come over here to customization. After we click on customization, branding is our destination under this tab here. And you'll find the third option under profile picture, banner image is video watermark. And this is where you add it. You can have choices if you only want the watermark at the end, if you want it to come on at a specific time in your video, or for your entire video. Now, remember, when you do this, it's channel-wide. It's not for specific videos. So make sure that whatever you decide to do, you understand that it's going to be that way on all of your videos. Now you're going to notice that my watermark says click here. Why does it say click here? Well, because when you hover your mouse over the watermark, the subscribe button pops up. And for this channel and for these videos, my goal is to actually increase the viewership of this channel, which means to increase subscribers. So I am looking to share these videos and have people subscribe. That's my intention with this watermark. However, it's not the intention with my other channel. Let me show you what I mean. So here I am on my voice actor channel, and this is the channel that I use to market to potential customers. And so what do you notice about this watermark? It's my actual logo. It's not a click here button. I'm not interested in getting my potential clients to subscribe to me. I'm interested in having my potential clients know who I am. So for this channel, I actually use my logo instead of a click here button, even though the functionality is the same. When I hover over that watermark, it says subscribe. I can't change that, but I can use the watermark for what my purposes are. So make sure that you are using your watermark for what you want to achieve. If you're trying to get subscriptions, your watermark should be something like click here or subscribe or something like that. So when your viewer hovers their mouse over the top of it, they have the option to subscribe and they'll know what it is. But if your goal is to get people to recognize your brand or recognize who you are, you don't need the click here button. You want a watermark that more reflects your brand and who you are. And so just remember that these watermarks are really small, so you can't put a lot of detail in there. I would suggest some initials maybe, or something that's just easy to read when the client is viewing the video and the watermark is really small. So there you go. I hope that's been helpful. And if it has been, please consider taking a minute, hitting that subscribe button or hitting the thumbs up and let me know that you like this content. And if you want to see more videos about voiceover, check those guys out over there. Thanks a lot for watching. Until next time.